Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. So today we'll be making this beautiful hairstyle. So till now you must have followed these steps. Now we will fix the hairs into each other like this. Take few section of the hairs, roll it and fix it above like this. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Now make the plaits like this. Fix it and it's done. Next, we will tie the ponytail like this. Now rotate the hairs as shown in the video. Now take few section of the hairs and make the plaits like this. Now fold them upward and start fixing it one by one like this, and your beautiful bun will be ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this. Take few section of the hairs from the sides and tie it on the back like this. Keep tying the hairs as shown in the video. Watch the video very carefully. Now, we will tie the hairs at the end, fold it upward, fix it, and it's done. Next, we will tie the hairs on the back like this. Take few section of the hairs and tie a knot on the back. Fix it using a rubber band. Now again follow the same step for few more times like this. After that, fix it and it's done. Thanks for watching.